Ready? Start. As per prosecution story, the applicant is stated to have entered into corporeal relationship with the informant on the pretext of marrying her and had continued the said relationship for a substantial period of 8 months and threatened the informant to make her indecent videos viral on social media. Stop. Rival contentions bracket start arguments on behalf of applicant bracket close stop. Learned counsel for the applicant has argued that the applicant is absolutely innocent and has been falsely implicated in the present case with a view to cause unnecessary harassment and to victimize him. Stop. It is stated that he has nothing to do with the said offense. Stop. It is stated that the victim is the consenting party, as is evident from her statements. Stop. Learned counsel has next stated that as per the ossification test report, the age of the victim is 18 years and a leverage of 2 years may be granted to the applicant on the upper side. Stop stanza. Several other submissions have been made on behalf of the applicant to demonstrate the falsity of the allegations made against him. Stop. The circumstances which, as per counsel, led to the false implications of the applicant have also been touched upon at length. Stop. It is further stated that there is no criminal history of the applicant. Stop. The applicant is languishing in jail since 12 April 2024. Stop. In case the applicant is released on bail, he will not misuse the liberty of bail. Stop. Bracket start. Arguments on behalf of opposite party oblique state bracket close. Stop. Learned ACA has vehemently opposed the bail application but has not disputed the fact that there is no criminal history of the applicant. Stop. Conclusions. Stop. In the judgment of Supreme Court passed in Jayamala versus State of J and K within bracket 1982 to SCC 538 and Muhammad Imran Khan versus State within bracket Government of NCT Delhi within bracket 2011-10 SCC 192, it has been opined that the radiologist cannot predict the correct date of birth. Rather, there is a long margin of 1 to 2 years on either side. Stop. In the judgments of Supreme Court passed in case of Pramod Subramhan Pawar versus State of Maharashtra and another reported in 2019 within bracket 9 SCC 608 and Ansar Muhammad versus State of Rajasthan and another reported in 2022 SCC online SC 886. It has been stated that entering into any kind of corporeal relationship with a person on the pretext of getting married cannot be termed as rape. Stop. The well-known principle of presumption of innocence unless proven guilty gives rise to the concept of bail as a rule and imprisonment as an exception. Stop. A person's right to life and liberty guaranteed by Article 21 of the Indian Constitution cannot be taken away simply because he or she. Stop.